Hey guys, welcome back to another keyboard-related video. I'm John J. Benreba, and today's video will be looking at the Kemove61 Snowfox, one of the well-known 60% keyboards now out in the market. Full disclosure, Kemove did send this out for review but it doesn't affect my opinions on this keyboard. With that out of the way, let's start the unboxing. After removing the bubble wrap, we are greeted with a nice looking box highlighting the Snowfox inside, as well as a Kemove logo on the left side. On the top, we can see the switch and model we have inside the box. On the bottom is the Kemove logo once again. And on the back, we can see the outline of the keyboard itself, as well as some features we're gonna get to later. Inside the box, we are greeted with the keyboard front and center, and 3 sample key switches on the left side. In my case, it was the Gateron Green, Gateron Clear, and the Gateron Red. Those switches are there to highlight the Kemove's 5-pin hot swap capabilities. Going back to the keyboard itself, it is protected with a plastic cover which has the Kemove logo on the top right side. Useful if you want to keep the dust away from the keyboard. And finally, the keyboard itself comes fully assembled with the switches, in my case the Gateron Reds, and keycaps intact. We'll get back to the keyboard itself later. For now, let's look at the other accessories that come with the Snowfox. It comes with an angled USB Type-C cable that is braided and has a ferrite in the end. The USB port itself is even reversible. We can also see a wire keycap puller and a switch puller, which is an upgrade compared to the plastic keycap pullers we normally see on pre-built keyboards. Lastly, we can also see the user manual that the users will use to understand the layer implementation of the Kemove61. First impressions on the keyboard, it's a well-built mechanical keyboard for its price. It's a typical 60% layout with arrow keys flanked on the bottom right side as secondary layers, and navigation keys situated in the Alpas. One thing I liked about the stock keycaps is that there are legible side legends which indicate the second function of those keys, making it easier for users to adapt to this layout. I also like the two-tone design of the case. It makes it unique and makes it stand out from the rest of the budget 60% keyboards in the market. It also has rubber feet to adjust the typing angle of the keyboard, something my RK61 lacks. Stock, the Gateron Reds feel smooth, probably because they're pre-lubed on the factory, but it could be better when we mod it in the future. The stubs, though not rattly, is a little bit mushy in my taste, again, something we can mod in a future video. And the keycaps are of good quality for stock keycaps, providing RGB shine through, and PBT for the price means the keycaps will not fade anytime soon. Speaking of shine through, this PCB has north-facing RGB and supports 5-pin types of switches, no need to clip. Other specs include a 3000 mAh battery for its Bluetooth function, something I will test out the longevity in the future, and a Windows and Mac toggle switch on the top for our Mac users. Other than that, I leave the rest of my impressions for the full review. I'll tackle the different lighting modes, the software, and other features it offers compared to the market in an upcoming video. So you better subscribe to see me review and mod this keyboard to its best potential. Until then, I'm John J. Benreba and I'll see you on the next video.